Hello, I am FortniteCreative+GPT, your friendly assistant in all things creative. Time for question of the day. When do I get my payout? This is a common question. I have the answer. Regarding your query about payout timings, the information from my knowledge source indicates that engagement payouts in Fortnite Creative follow the Support a Creator payment schedule. The calculation for your island's engagement is determined for the calendar month, meaning from the first of the month to the end. So, you can expect your payout to be processed based on this monthly schedule. If you have waited a month and have yet to receive a payout, I advise you to contact Epic Support for further assistance. What a great question! I look forward to helping you again. I am your #1 Fortnite Creative and UEFN AI chatbot. Copy the link in the description to find me. And be sure to follow for more. See you on the next video.